Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV Pad 8, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, hold your power button, there we go, misclicked, and then select power off and confirm it. Now when the device turns off, you want to hold both of the volume buttons, so up and down, and power button, which I'm gonna do right now once the camera focuses. Come on, there we go. So I'm holding all three buttons right now. I am gonna let go of the power button about now. There we go. I didn't want to hold it for too long. If I do, the device would forcibly reboot. It looks like you can let go of it before. From what you could probably see, I literally let go of it at the same time this shows up, that was just coincidence. But in any case, next you will see the Android with no command. So to get past this, what you want to do is hold your power button and press volume up, like so. And this will then take you to the recovery mode. And here you'll need to use volume buttons to go either up or down depending on which one you press. So if you use volume down, it will go down, and vice versa. When you use up, it goes up. And then power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have access to, and here we have reboot system now as a first option, which takes us back to Android, and reboot to bootloader, which will take us back to bootloader if there is one. We have enter fastboot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. So anyway, I'm gonna, just for the science of this, I'm gonna select reboot to bootloader just so we can see if there is actually a bootloader, because I have a feeling that this might actually also boot us into fastboot mode. So I do want to kind of see, just so everyone can know what will happen. Yep, and it is a fastboot mode, which you can see right at the top. So bootloader doesn't actually exist here. It's just two different fastboot modes. In any case, I'm gonna leave this now by holding the power button till the device turns off. There we go, at which point I believe it will boot up on its own, like it's doing right now. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.